what is worth the most? Grab the bolt. Fuck! It got to us! It got to us!
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Lethal Company again with my friend. Say hi. He's a YouTuber as well. I'm gonna link his channel down in the description below. Say hi.
Hi.
There you go. As you guys saw in the last video, we just met quota and we bought a bunch of stuff. So let's just grab some of that. Alright, so how do we get off this?
Also, you can turn your flashlight on and then switch to another item, and you still have your flashlight out.
I know.
But yeah, turn it off for now, though.
Yeah.
You don't need it. You gotta go around.
Alright. I can't believe that the walkie and the flashlight are 5 pounds. What?
Oh, I was about to
Did
fall.
Oh.
Jump.
Almost fell?
Oh, okay, I made it. Come on.
I didn't.
Alright. Let me go inside.
I guess I can turn mine off too.
We're rich.
Oh? Why didn't you charge your walkie?
I did earlier.
Alright, so where's all this stuff coming?
I did charge it. Let's just get off
Where's all this stuff coming from?
What?
Where's all this stuff coming from?
I'm finding it. No. I put a hat in the car for that.
You put a what?
Yeah. Oh, no.
Alright.
I'm calling my mom right
Oh, yeah.
now. That's a landmine.
Oh, there's
Alright,
a landmine by you?
Mom. Yeah, landmine. Don't worry about it. Where are you? Oh, there you are. It's over here.
Landmine over there too?
No, it was the landmine from over there.
Oh. That was your laser portal.
Oh, apparatus.
Nice.
I think we grab this and then leave.
I mean, we could. Just wait a second.
Wait. Or actually, we'll grab that last.
Yeah. We gotta.
For now, let's grab other stuff. Well, great.
Yeah. I'm in the Steam. Do you see my light?
Oh, there you are. Yeah, I see your light.
Alright, there's steam over here. Gas leak. It's coming from it here.
Different hat? Okay. Alright.
No, it's coming from it there.
Yeah, let's head the other way.
Yeah. Should we grab that apparatus? There's a landmine right on the vent. What happens if I touch it?
Let's just grab the apparatus and leave.
What if I touch it?
No, please don't. No. Grab the apparatus and then leave.
Alright. Go, go, go.
We leave now. The pets are gonna.
I lagged. Alright. Which way's out?
More rads, but no, it's this way.
This way. Go, 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 go. Get out. Alright. I'm gonna grab
Ooh,
small
it's
stuff.
about- We have so much to bring back.
I have
Yeah,
my inventory
actually-
full.
Hang on. Drop me a bolt. Yeah. Give me this. And
How
then you take the bottles.
how full is your inventory? How full is your inventory?
It's entirely full.
Okay.
Grab the bottles, and then we can make 2 trips.
Yeah. We're gonna have to.
Yeah. Got it. Well, this is such a lucrative trip, bro. We're so good at this game.
Yeah. Except, what was that? There's something down there.
Let's.
It's a
Where?
dog. It's a dog. Be quiet. Be quiet. It's a dog. There's a dog by the ship. By the ship.
Ship.
By the ship. Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
Quiet, quiet.
What's?
Shh. They're still. There's 2.
What?
There's 2. There's 2. There's 2. Okay, alright, okay. Drop the stuff here.
Why?
We drop our stuff off. The dog is at the bottom. Alright. Go back and grab our other stuff.
I'm turning off my mic.
Yeah, turn off your light. We bring the other stuff over there, and we book it back to the ship. Go quietly, quiet. We don't want the dogs to hear us. Grab the axle. And the bottles. And then go back. Let me go back. Okay. What we do here? Where's the ship? The ship is right there. So what we have to do is we have to make a run for it. Grab. So this makes me 58. I'm gonna grab the apparatus. You grab the cog. We gotta go. Wait, actually, what is worth the most? Grab the bolt. Fuck! It got to us! It got to us!
Oh my god. Oh my actual god. I did not have anything. I do not have anything. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
We had so much.
I almost died too.
Yeah, we had so much.
Oh my god. My heart is like
I
racing
knew I
at
should
the
have bought
speed
the
of light.
boombox.
Yeah.
Alright, hang on.
Maybe we should have brought the radar booster too, because it makes a sound, bro.
Yeah, I should have bought. We should have bought a boom box. Let me pick a good moon.
Yeah. Preferably one without dogs.
Experimentation. No, I mean, like, we have to go back because we need the money.
Yeah, but it won't have any of our stuff there.
Yeah, I know, but we need the money.
Yeah.
And like, and all the first level planets have nothing.
I mean, they have a lot.
We
All the
have to
first
go.
level planets have a lot.
No, they have like nothing.
I've gotten
Alright,
first
go.
level planets with like 14,000 on them.
What?
They're not 14,000, like 1,400 on them.
Yo.
Oh, I should
Yeah,
charge
no,
my
this is.
flashlight. I'll be back. I'll be back.
Yeah.
God. I can't believe we died to the dogs, bro. Well, I can't believe he died to the dogs. This is exactly why I don't use a mechanical keyboard anymore. And I use a headset with a toggleable mic. I need to... Where is he? Charge. Where are you?
Hey,
There's a turret right there. Yeah, I think I'm going crazy, man. I saw like red outside.
Come on, come on.
Where are you? Hey, where are you?
I'm right here, I'm right here.
Where is
Right
he?
here.
What?
Near the turret.
Oh, like,
There's two! There's two!
what?
Oh, what?
No, 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 no! I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
What's your health at?
I'm perfectly fine.
Fine. We have to go around both of those turrets. Sorry. What we do is when they turn their backs, we gotta run through.
There's a landmine over here, too.
Yeah. Which is why we can't go this way. And there's also another turret as well. There's also a second turret.
Yeah.
Okay. What's targeting? What's the targeting? Go back, back, back. Alright. When it turns around and stops looking at us, that's when we go.
Go?
Oh, there's a dog!
Whoa!
There's a dog!
I'm dead.
Lethal Company. Lethal Company, ladies and gentlemen. Lethal Company for you. Oh, no.
I don't even know what I died to. I don't know if I died to the dog or the turret.
Holy heck.
We're not meeting quota.
I'm gone. I'm gone.
Yeah, just go, bro.
We're
Go,
outta
just
here.
go, just go, just
I'm
go.
out of here. I have like a nut, and that's it. We have one more day.
Yeah.
We gotta go to we have to go to a first level planet.
Yeah, like experimentation, I think.
Really,
Because
we
to be honest,
physically have to go to a
experimentation
first
is
level
really good stuff. You just gotta get to it.
Okay. I'm getting out of here. There's a dog and two turrets. First shot, also a landmine. Jesus Christ. Like Christmas. Got to find the tunes. Alright.
I don't even know if I died to the dog or the turret.
Yeah, I think no, you died to the turret. I think you got. All right, this is our last day. We're going to a first level planet. Bring us to a first level planet that's not in an eclipse.
None of the first level planets are in Eclipse.
Okay.
Welcome back to experimentation. There's 824 outside. 824. You there?
Hmm?
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Alright, there's a total of 824. Well, an approximate of
Oh, nice.
and we only have
Go.
27 right now.
We have 27. We need at least 200.
Yeah. Hopefully we get big things.
Yeah.
And by big,
We will. There's 800.
Yeah.
There's 800. We have to get big stuff.
Yeah. Just remember to always scan. Just scan.
V-type.
Yep. Scan like every 5 seconds.
Yeah.
I'm going
V-type
upstairs.
and bottles.
Oh, nice.
And bottles.
There's nothing upstairs.
I got a V-type.
Nice. What else is over here?
Jump.
I missed.
There's a big jump.
I cannot make parkour.
Well, I'm just gonna assume he's dead. He do suck at parkour, though. Lock.
How do you see that? How do you even see that, bro? Go. Right up on it. Perfect. Present. Flask. Yes. It's almost like he can hear me, but he can't. Is it locked? Oh, it's not. Yeah, his inventory should be full now, right?
I'm just gonna try. Is it real?
Yeah.
It's real.
actually suck at parkour. I should not be trusted to do parkour in this game anymore. Like, actually should not. Wow. What if what if he's deep in,
Let's go back.
right? What if he's really deep in,
I
and then
hope
I
he's
just
doing
like
that.
kind of prank him with telling the autopilot shit
auto
really
is real.
literally. The heck?
The hell was that?
Exactly what I'm thinking, bro. What time is it? Yeah. We'll get your sticks, bro.
You're crawling.
I got your sticks. I got your sticks, bro.
Oh, it was just bees.
I got your six, always. Why is it lagging so hard? There's nothing behind him. Alright, we're good. How much do we have, bro? That's the question. Will we meet quota?
When day breaks. This reminds me of that SCP. When day breaks. This last little.
Bro. What in the hell is that?
This last little catalytic converter. Just this V-type and then we can go.
Called a V6, buddy. Well, I mean, in game it's called a V type,
Jesus.
but it's a V6.
Jesus.
Yeah. What in the Jesus Christ was that?
Jesus, you a real one.
What the Jesus Christ was that?
We out of here, baby. We out of here.
Let's go.
$265. That's enough. B grade, nice.
Bro, I should never be trusted to do parkour in this game ever again.
Yeah, you really shouldn't.
Do we have enough? Oh yeah, we have enough. Okay.
We're heading over to company now.
Alright.
We have to sell literally everything.
Yeah.
Or else we won't have enough.
If you like engaging caps lock in this game, should make it sprint whenever you sell. Let me sell. Anything else?
Yeah?
Just this engine, right?
Yep.
Alright. Well, let me sell! Bro.
So.
What keeps the company happy?
Oh, we met quota anyway.
There we go. He took it.
Okay. I'm gonna leave without
Let's
you.
buy some stuff.
Okay.
We've met quota. And we have some time. What do we buy?
I actually have no clue.
You have everything?
Yep. It was just the 2 flashlights, right? And the
2 flashlights.
And the
then
radio?
last wall.
yeah. Gotta rearrange
Leave the radios in
inventory.
here.
Yep.
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
We're going, right?
Hold on. Let me close up.
Close up ship, and then you launch us off.
Wow, we way surpassed quota. I'm gonna just shine this in the back of your head.
How bald am I?
Yes.
Flat head?
Huh?
Oh, it does.
How bold am I? How bold am I?
Pretty bald. What are we get $3 of overtime bonus.
Nice.
Thank you. Thank you, company.
I'm just gonna keep shut.
Where are we landing?
356. I don't know. I think this is good enough for one video, though.
All
What do
right.
you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Alright. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.